Margaret Lynn, and today I'm so excited to be sharing with you one of my favorite healthy on-the-go snacks. My nutritious energy bites are simple and easy to make, and they are great for a healthy snack or even to satisfy that sweet tooth. They are packed with tons of fiber, protein, and plant-based nutrients that will help to keep your energy up so that you can power through your day. We will be making 3 different types of energy bites: a mint chocolate chip, a lemon poppy seed, and one of my favorites, a Mocha energy bite. And don't forget that these are kid-friendly too, so it's a great way to encourage your little ones to make those healthier snack choices. So let's get ready to roll up some energy bites. So let's talk about your projects. Who doesn't love a tasty project? After you roll up your energy bites, make sure you take a quick picture and post it in the project section. I also encourage you to create your own unique energy bite recipe. Make sure you take a picture and share your recipe in the project section so that we can all enjoy it together. Now let's talk about a few tips that will make rolling up your energy bites a little bit simpler. So let me share a few helpful tips with you that will make rolling your energy bites a little bit easier. Always feel free to swap out any of the ingredients if there is a dietary restriction. If you're not sure of a good replacement, just send me a quick message and I will be more than happy to help. Be sure to store your energy bites in an airtight container, either in the refrigerator or even in the freezer, to last a little longer, or maybe even to hide them, because I don't think that they're going to stick around for very long. We will be rolling the ingredients into small bite-sized balls. I recommend using a little bit of coconut oil on your hands to prevent a lot of sticking. If you don't want to roll the ingredients into balls, another option is to press the ingredients into a square parchment-lined pan. Freeze the ingredients for about 20 to 30 minutes, then pull out the parchment paper and cut your ingredients into little bars. Now let's get rolling. The first energy bite we're going to make today is our mint chocolate chip. This is one of my daughter's favorites. You will need 2 cups of rolled oats, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a half a cup of nut butter. I love to use cashew butter, but you can use almond butter or even peanut butter. 3 tablespoons of honey, 3 drops of peppermint oil. Be careful with your peppermint oil because too much can overpower the flavor. A half a cup of mini chocolate chips, 2.5 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and a half a cup of plant-based chocolate shake mix. Combine all of your ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Roll your ingredients into small bite-sized balls. Place in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Be sure to store them in an airtight container and enjoy as a healthy snack or even a sweet treat. The next energy bite we're going to roll up is our lemon poppy seed. You will need 2 cups of oats, a half a cup of plant-based vanilla shake mix, 6 tablespoons of lemon juice, 6 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Combine all of the ingredients in a mixing bowl and shape into balls. Refrigerate for about 30 minutes. Once they have become firm, take them out and enjoy as a delicious, healthy treat. Our final energy bite, and one of my favorites, is our Mocha. You will need a 1/4 cup of ground coffee beans, 1 cup of pitted dates, 1 cup of cashews, a half a cup of almonds. Place the coffee beans, dates, and nuts in a food processor and blend until combined. A 1/4 cup of plant-based chocolate shake mix, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and some raw cocoa in a separate bowl for coating. Roll them into balls, and then roll them in the raw cocoa powder. Refrigerate for about 30 minutes, and enjoy your healthy Mocha energy bites. Thank you so much for watching today, and I sure do hope that you enjoy these energy bites as much as I do. Health is a huge priority of mine, so that I have the energy to maintain my busy lifestyle. I also enjoy inspiring my kids to make those healthier food choices, and these energy bites make it easy for both mom and child. Don't forget to share both your energy bites and your unique recipes with us in the project section. I'm Margaret Lynn, and thanks again for watching.